You gonna ride your tractor?
Yeah.
In the snow? Can you smile for my camera?
Yeah.
Look at my camera and smile one time. There you go, boy. Did you throw a snowball in his mouth? Silly pants. Oh, that's not doing good. It's not broke, it's the snow, baby. It's getting slippery. You're gonna have to put some chains on it. Try again. Push the gas again. Yeah, you're spinning, boy. Let's get you on the pavement. What? What's on, baby? Baby. Ryan.
We just chewed that up.
I know we chewed that up. That's okay.
That's it.
It gets really slippery. That's why I gotta go in slow gear. It's cold, isn't it? You put your tractor in the parking spot? You're silly. Baby, watch out for the dog poo-poo. Oh, you just ran it over. Baby, come on, it's okay. Uh-oh, that doesn't look good. Oh, we made it. Good job. Good job. Wave at the camera. Wave at the camera. Hello.